Welcome to our channel. Proper warm-up prepares your body for golf's physical demands and establishes rhythm for your round. These steps optimize your pre-round preparation. Step 1. Arrive at the course with enough time for a complete warm-up. Rushing creates tension and prevents proper preparation. Allow at least 30 minutes before your tee time. Step 2. Start with dynamic stretching targeting golf-specific movements. Arm circles, torso rotations, leg swings, and hip openers increase blood flow and range of motion. Step 3. Begin hitting balls with short wedge shots. Make small, controlled swings focusing on rhythm and solid contact before progressing to longer clubs. Step 4. Gradually work through your bag from wedges to driver. Hit just a few balls with each club, establishing feel rather than making swing changes. Step 5. Vary your targets and trajectories during warm-up. Don't hit every shot to the same target. Simulate actual golf by practicing different shots. Step 6. Finish your full swing warm-up with driver, hitting 3 to 5 drives. End positively to build confidence for your opening tee shot. Step 7. Spend 10 to 15 minutes on the putting green. Practice both short putts for confidence and longer putts for distance control. Step 8. Hit several chip and pitch shots to establish feel around the greens. Your first scoring opportunity might require these shots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.